I won't warn you. If you never reach 18 years, you no fit listen to this podcast.
Fly wey no dey hear word, na inside dead body grave im go see himself. To sleep that night go tire mama Testy and she don already sabi that one. She just dey think say which kind things just dey happen this period so. Na true say Timo dey follow bad people o, but this na the first time she dey hear say dem arrest am, talk less of say dem fit kill am. Well, e fit be say the friend dey overtalk the thing o, that na wetin she come dey reason. Person no dey use their talk take dey do something. E no get the matter wey dey ground, she know say Timo go fit arrange himself. But all this one come be small distraction for the main matter wey dey trouble am o. As day dey break every day, she dey increase for her ginger to find out who go enter inside Shaba body. Because she really get soft spot for her mind for that Chris woman. As Mama Testy reach house that night, fear no let am talk wetin she experience for road. Her husband don fair warn am about late night wey she dey keep. The man don even threaten say he go lock up that her restaurant because she dey come house late. The truth be say, Mama Testy just like wahala. Her husband get all the money to take care of her and her pikin, but she no be person wey like to dey sit down dey four hands make person dey put money for here though. Na Okona woman she be. Dem like business die. Money must be their own o. Na wetin God take dey bless them. As she enter house, she come dey act normal, dey try relax. When she enter, her husband and son don already dey parlour dey wait for am. He don already master them. Their own na to dey carry food from fridge wey she dey always dey supply. She greets them for parlour. She dey try avoid their eyes to enter room sharply. Na there her husband catch am. He just shout say make she come back here. She shock o. That shout na the exact opposite of the way wey be say Timo friend be take talk to am. The husband block come dey hot, he come dey shout for am. Say see the time when they take dey come house. He call am by him real name o. Tina. Say she na until she see wetin she dey find, now she go hear word. Him eyes just dey be like say fire dey comot for am as him dey yarn. Mama Testy don dey used to am. She dey always dey prepare for am anytime when she come back house late. She come dey apologize, say she dey sorry, say customers no gree finish for shop, say making no vex, say making with him pikin no vex. That na Mama Testy normal line wey she dey use, and her pikin Michael almost follow am recite the reply for him mind because he sef don know say na wetin she dey always dey talk. Michael na small pikin but na only for age o. Wetin that small boy know he pass am wella. Na mama last born na, and na only him dey stay with am for house. Rita with Jude wey senior her, they don comot Abako tey. Mama come like this last born pass say cause say him sabi help mama with him work and he no dey complain. Lie. Na pikin wey dey do both woman and man work for house. One day like that na the first time mama go come late o. She no remember put food for fridge. As Michael don dey reason say time don dey go my guy sharply you begin dey cook rice. Before Pile return for night, Michael don serve her food. When he ask of mama, Michael tell her say mama escort person comot for house. You see as he sharp abi? He quickly come go wait for mama for road o. Then he escort her enter house. Since that time mama no dey use the boy matter dey play. As he sharp, he dey love am with sharpness. The boy come later ask him mama, say how far her second pikin, Shaba. He sef knows say mama love am well na. Mama burst am word o. Say e be like say head no correct. Say wetin he use that one take mean. Michael come laugh. Say make she no vex. Say any news. Say person tell am say dem see Shaba almost naked today. Mama hear that one and she no fit your eye down for body again o. E come ask am say who tell am that thing? Say who be the person and where dem see Shaba naked like this? Michael come yarn am say na im friend o. Say na for school where dem come play ball na im dem see Shaba for there. Mama no talk anything again. She gats go share community school compound tomorrow go know whether na there she go meet Shaba. She na mother and she come begin dey reason how life be for her when she get Michael belle, the pains and all the things wey she suffer, how she come use CS take born Michael that fateful day. She begin dey reason the help and care wey she receive from her family and friends, but that one no even stop the pain o. After she don reason that one, she come dey think how Shaba matter go be. Shaba wey no get care, e no get help, e no get family, no get friends, e no dey feed well, and na yeye place na im dey sleep well. The thing come make tears dey comot for mama eye. This life no really balance at all as people dey yarn am. But that thinking no last long o. She never cry well when her phone your ring. E come dey ask himself who go be this one wey go dey call am this night. The worst one na say she no sabi the number because e no save am for phone. As she pick phone, she come dey ask who be this person wey be say no fit wait make day break wey dey call am. E come be say na Mama Angela dey call am. E say make Mama Tessy no vex o, say she dey call by this time but na urgent matter e be. She shock o. E come ask am say wetin happen? Say hope everything dey well o. Na Mama Angela tell am say Caleb just call am now. E say dem kill 2 people for front of their shop line and im talk say im don go dey report am give police. Na. Mama Tessy head scatter. Hey, wetin dey happen for Abako now wey be say na so dey go dey kill people for front of person shop now? Who dem kill? Na im come be the next question wey she ask. Mama Angela come tell her say e no fit answer o. Say na tomorrow dey go know.
Thank you well say you dey listen to Abako. We hope say you dey enjoy the tori. You fit listen to Abako for Spotify, Apple Podcast and YouTube. Na 808 Xtra na im produce am. Na Chuki One Pillar write am. Onakole na im voice am. The soundtrack na Onye Beat and Fefe na im do am. The sound design, mixing and mastering na 808 Xtra do am. If you wan write for us or you wan work together, you fit contact us for 808extrang@gmail.com. Support for this channel dey come from the osusu wey you dey pay us. You fit send your own if na naira to paystack.com/pay/808extran, or if na dollars you wan send am to paystack.com/808extrad. All these details dey for the show notes.